Hi friends, welcome back to Wisdom Academy YouTube channel. This is 3-minute Factoid. Today I am going to talk about something very interesting, something which everyone has at least talked once in their lifetime. That is about the time travel. We always talk that with time travel I want to go in past, I want to go in future. But first of all, is it possible to do time travel? Or is it possible to go to future? Or is it possible to go to past in a time travel? Today I will give just a theoretical idea about that, and moreover I will use very basic ideas. So don't stick to it immediately. You have to go back and do some research for that if you want to learn more. So I'll just try to explain this time travel in the most easiest and the most simplest way. Let us see how it happens. So we know that speed of light is taken as a constant. Speed of light is a constant. I am saying in a medium. Suppose in vacuum the speed of light is approximately equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which equates to 3 lakh kilometer per second. Now, to explain this theory of time travel, I will take the help of two mirror, and it is called as mirror glass. So I have taken the arrangement in which I have two mirrors, and between these two mirrors there is a light traveling. So light is traveling like this, coming back, hitting up and down, it is traveling. Fine. Now let it take some time t for hitting up and coming down. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. So see, I am going to use only this formula today to explain you about time travel. I said you it is a very basic analysis. So let us see that. So what happens? The time which moves in these two, the light which moves in these two mirrors is coming up and down, up and down. Now what I do? I make this arrangement to move with an approximate speed of light. So this thing which was this whole setup which was going up and down, the whole setup I make it to move with the speed of light, approximately near to speed of light. At least it is near to speed of light. When I do so, what happens? Can you feel that when this starts moving, the light also has to travel little more distance. So see here, the mirror is present here and one mirror was down. So now the light has to hit like this and come like this, again hit like this and come like this. So when the light is doing this, light has to travel a little more distance. Here the distance light traveled in one cycle, it will be this plus this. Here light, what distance it travels will be this plus this. Obviously you can feel the distance traveled is little more compared to the previous case, but speed of light is constant. So speed to be constant, if the distance has increased, time also must increase, isn't it? So for what will happen? This principle is called as time dilation. It is called as time dilation, in which the time for this case, with respect to this case, it has elongated, or in other way I will say that this time has become little less. So it is little less time. Now one more thing what was seen is called as length contraction. So deeper research, this is whatever I am talking, it is from theory of relativity. But deeper research on this theory of relativity also told us that not only does the time becomes small, the length also becomes more in order to make the speed of light as constant. So I am not going to talk about length contraction in today's video. That's the time dilation. So what you have understood, if something is moving very fast near to speed of light, then the time taken for this thing will be little less. So time actually starts dilating. So what happens if the speed of the object becomes exactly equal to speed of light? So speed of object becomes equal to speed of light. What will happen? The time stops. So time became slow, and at this speed it stops. When the time stops, what will happen if the speed of object becomes more than speed of light? Then time starts going back, and that's why we call it as time travel. So with this concept, people started thinking that they can go to past if they achieve the speed of light. But whether we have achieved the speed more than speed of light of anything, please think about it. Like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe our channel for getting this kind of updates. Thank you.